Hey guys, so today I'm going to start off a little bit different. I'm going to give you guys a tip. Has nothing to do with cooking whatsoever. But speaking of tip, Q-tip. Don't stick it in your damn ear. We're told a billion times, do not stick Q-tips in your damn ear. You're going to end up like me. I've had 2 ear infections in the past 4 weeks. I stuck a Q-tip in this ear, ear infection. About a week ago, I stuck a Q-tip in this ear. I'm dealing with an ear infection right now. I'm not feeling too well, but I don't want my dough to go to waste. It's getting ready to expire shortly, so I'm kind of forced to suck it up and make a video today for you guys. The tip, get yourself a syringe bulb. Fill it up with warm water. Squirt it into your ear. Do that about 3 or 4 times. It'll flush out the gunk out of your ear versus using a damn Q-tip. Don't be like me. Don't be stupid. My son notoriously is known for getting ear infections, and ever since I taught him this trick, I don't think he's had an ear infection since. So trust me, it works. Syringe bulb, no Q-tips. Anyways, summertime, kids love hot dogs. We're gonna do a different take on a hot dog. It's gonna be a baked chili hot dog or something. So bear with me as I try to muster the strength to get through this video. So let's get started here on Cook. Don't be lazy, unless you have an ear infection. We need some pizza crust. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy opened. Oh my gosh. Oh, duh. I was squeezing in the wrong spot. There we go. Don't get excited, ladies. How do I open this guy? There we go. Roll it open. We're going to slice this guy. We're going to go in half. And then, how do I want to do this? There you go. This is what we need for the next step. Some hot dogs. I'm using some beef hot dogs. And some cheddar cheese sticks. That's what they look like. So I'm just going to take my cheese stick and cut it in half. 2 strips. So now's a good time to preheat your oven. 375. Grab a flat baking sheet. Lightly spray it. Take a portion of our dough. Stick your hot dog. Piece of cheese on each side. We're going to wrap this around. Put it on your baking sheet. Wrap that around. Baking sheet. Wrap it around, baking sheet. I'm going to continue doing the rest. So this is what we're working with. Time to put it in the oven. So for how long? For approximately 20 minutes, give or take, depending on your stove. Basically, we're looking for the dough to be brown. So in the meantime, get yourself 2 small pots. Can of chili beans. Put your chili beans in one pot. Turn on your stove. Turn on both burners. This burner, we need some butter. So this one, since we got about 20 minutes for the hot dogs to cook in the oven, I don't want this one set to high. So I'm going to set this one to kind of like a number 4 on my stove. This one here, I don't care. I'm not going to set it to high, but I'll put this one to medium. I got 20 minutes, so I got plenty of time to heat this up. So this one, we're going to add some parsley flakes. Some garlic powder. Eyeball it. And we're just going to heat it up. We want this to melt. It's kind of like going to be used as a garlic spread. And we just want to heat up the chili beans. Chili done. A little garlic butter spread done. Gonna turn the stove off. I'm gonna wait for our hot dogs to finish in the oven. So we're getting close to the 20-minute mark. Any responsible person checks on their food. Looks ready. 17 minutes. So we're going to take our little garlic butter spread. We're going to brush it on top. Get a nice size portion of that butter all over that bread. Don't be stingy. All up on the sides. Just let it drizzle down everywhere. Alright, so get yourself a plate, put a dollop of chili beans on it, put your hot dog on top, and you guessed it, time to plate up! Baked chili cheese dog. Perfect for kids, perfect for summer. So until next week, don't forget, cook! Don't be lazy.